Remote. Buick. Do I have to tell you it's an Envision? I think I do. Let's go see. It's Envision. But I think it's going to work across all Buicks. Valet key. If I have to show you how to take that out, stop watching this video. Now, one-hander, one-hander. Like that. There you go. Do this whole thing with one hand, right? Let's see. Go right in between that crack right there. We're going to go right in there. Can you do it with one hand? Hell no. Want to try? Sure, why not? Oh, look. One-hander. Here's the battery. A big old 2450. There you go. It did tell me to actually replace the battery in this thing. It didn't tell me when, but we will replace eventually. Put the cover back on. If I did it in one hand, you should be able to do it with two. Put the valet key back in. Like it, don't like it. Share, don't share. Subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.